Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, and today we're going on a tour to Wyatt's Waterfall. We're going to be ziplining as well, so let's start. First, this is how the entrance of Wyatt's Waterfall looks. We then walked down this little corridor to be greeted, and then we came across this sign with all the doors.
Welcome, how are you? Doing good?
Yes, I am.
Alright, enjoy.
If you like history and you'd like to know about Wyatt's Fall, you can pause and read that sign. But here's the entrance where you pay for your ticket to go into the falls. Alright? Them offer rope swing. So if you know say you cannot rope swing, don't do it. Alright, then I walk around the store. They have some nice products, some nice Jamaican products. Yeah man, some books and thing. And then I have to head out because we not come here for store, we come here for the fall. Then there's a little bathroom at the entrance. You walk around to your ride and there's a little bar as you walk into your ride. And say if you want to drink and ride, you can do it. You can drink a little red stripe and enjoy your little ride down.
Oh, this is an experience.
I wasn't expecting this to be a part of the experience. To be transported to the falls in a tractor. The tractor stops at the souvenir store. We get off. I'm not going to no store. I'm there for the waterfalls. Then we just walk all the way up to the waterfalls. And as we walk, it feels like so we step off in a one different Jamaica. No. It feels like we're somewhere different. The rainforest, the luscious green plants, the flowers, the nice lawn, the benches where you can sit and have a lunch, a little picnic in the park experience. Whew. But you know we have to explore the waterfall first, right? So come with me, man. Let's walk and explore. Walk up to the top of the waterfalls. There's so many beautiful spots to sit. Don't just think that the waterfall only stops right here. As you keep climbing, there's little like pockets of waterfalls where you can go and sit and dive, and then you get up to the rope swing. Yes, you can go on swing on the rope and dive off, but make sure you can swim enough. Alright, and you just keep walking and walking until you find a nice spot that you love, and you can sit and enjoy the water with your children, your family, your loved ones, whoever come with you, you know. Me hungry now, man. After all of the water there, me hungry. It's time to look for some food. Alright, so the restaurant that is on site, it is like behind the souvenir store. Alright, so you just walk on the grass or the pavement that them actually create. And they have this nice beautiful dining area that is right beside the pools. Nice space, enough space to sit down and eat. So here is the restaurant. So let's see how the food go? What's the menu like? Look at the nice pool that them have. Oh Lord. Alright, so this is the menu. You can pause and look at what they offer. After you order your food, you go ahead and just wait over here until the food is ready. The food is done to order and you have to wait around 30 minutes. I love the service in terms of the chefs. You can watch the pool area while you wait on your food to be ready. The food looks amazing, but there was a mix-up with our order. We ordered fries. Now the thing that I do not like right now is that they didn't give us any receipt. So we couldn't go and look back and see if we ordered fries. Nothing like that. So we had to go and we ordered the fries to our knowledge. Probably we didn't order it, but we don't know. The food did good. It did alright. It did a little bit above average, but it wasn't like wow. But now it's time to zip line. Yep. So this is the zip lining hut that you walk over to register, and then you put on your gears. Kind of felt a little bit nervous when they started to put on the gears on me. Nervous, but I was like, you know what? Let's do this. Let's just put on the gears. Just smile. You can do this. One step at a time. Breathe in, breathe out. Guys, I'm a little bit nervous, so I'll tell you how it goes. Zip lining. Excited. So safety first. After we put on our safety gears, then we have to walk to the start of the zip line. That means we have to walk all the way up to the top of the waterfalls. So you see, if you do walk to the top of the waterfalls to explore, just know if you decide to do zip lining, you have to walk to the top again, which is a beautiful scene. Alright, so walk and walk till we're tired enough. Tired enough, people? No, sir. At one point, I said, no, man. Anyway, this is the top of the waterfalls. It's really beautiful. No, sir. I'm tired. Coming like the steps couldn't done. It wouldn't done. It just keeps on going on and on and on. Yes. And then it looked like we finally reached. Hallelujah. Let's do this. By the way, these are some of the people that I met while ziplining. They were so nice.
Hey, wait, come up.
You were sitting out. What an adrenaline rush. It was awesome, man. From the ride to the waterfalls, this was like so good. I mean, like, I would go back every year just to experience the zip lining. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.